Na tume ya walimu TSC inasema kuwa ina upungufu wa shilingi bilioni 10 ili kuweza kuwahamisha walimu wake kwenye bima ya matibabu ya SHA. Haya ni huku tume hiyo ikipewa makataa ya siku 20 kutoa vyeti vya wanafunzi ambavyo vinazuiliwa na shule mbalimbali.
In our previous system, we used to have these budget issues. They are not new to us. Even when we had the, what do you call it? The own minute. We used to have a budget deficit of 7 billion, 10 billion, but every other time we implore Teacher Service Commission to go back and make sure that they fill in the gap. That's exactly what we are doing. So there's no gambling here. This has been an issue which we have been going through all these years. So we have a direction, Madam CEO, go back, go and get a calculation so that we don't have a budget gap as we move on.
So the priority was given, and remember, Chair, over the last 3 years we had targeted recruitment, especially in junior school, because remember junior school is a new level where we did not have any teacher at all. So the Commission, when it was bringing forward the recruitment estimates, really focused in junior school level because of the acute teacher shortage that existed in junior school, and Chair, still we are not yet there in junior school staffing levels. We are still having a high teacher shortage in the junior school as well.
Turejee hapa studioni ambapo napata fursa ya kumeza mate kidogo kabla